What's so cool about manufacturing here at Zodiac Printing?
What's your job here at Zodiac Printing?
I'm an art director, so I handle a lot of the graphic design.
And how long have you been working with the company?
I think about 5 years.
Since the start from your garage to now?
Well, the industry has changed. What we used to do back then was a lot of forms. We used to do a lot of letterheads and very basic printing. But companies' needs have changed. The use of forms has been replaced by computers and technology, so we've had to change. We do a lot of digital media now. We do a lot of short-run color work. We do a lot of direct mail. So what we've done as a company to try to stay in business is just adapt to the different needs of our customer base. And we've also added services because some of our services that we offered back in 1980 are just irrelevant right now. So we've changed and modified and changed equipment so that we can meet their needs. We didn't do large format display work or banners or anything like that 30 years ago, but now that's a very growing segment of our business. And that's what's important in manufacturing, just to make sure you're continually changing and staying up to date.
Thank you.
When it comes to buying new equipment, looking at new equipment, I'll look at that, decide what's worthwhile to bring in. Deal with vacations, time off, people calling in sick, things like that. That's kind of what it is in a nutshell.
What's the favorite part of your job?
Director here at Mojave Advertising.
How long have you worked with Mojave?
I've been here, I think, about 7 or 8 years now.
7 or 8 years. So what's your favorite part of working here?
I would have to say being able to take the jobs that they give me and set them up and make them as best as I can.
Explain that a little bit more?
Well, every day is a challenge. No matter how much you think you've learned about customers and products and clients, it's always something new.
Do you have any tips about how to sell something to a client?
Be a good listener.
Be a good listener. And what